Savage W MMA fan, back with another video. So we have another fight scheduled in the flyweight division between Cortney Casey and Priscila Cachoeira on Halloween night, October 31st. So, as far as I'm concerned, this is a contract eliminator match. Meaning, if Cortney Casey doesn't win this damn match, she should have her contract cut. Like, she should be finished. Finito. I'm tired of Cortney Casey. I'm not a fan. I don't think she's that good. She got her fucking soul taken in that fucking Jillian Robinson match. I mean, Jillian Robinson just kept knocking her and pushing her over like a damn Jenga set. I mean, it was terrible. And she got dominated. And, you know, if you want to bring up the fact, oh, well, she won her last match before that. Who? She beat who? Mar? Fucking Romero Barella, the punching bag of 125. That's somebody else who needs to go, honestly, folks. That's just my opinion. She needs to go. So, personally, I wouldn't mind seeing Cachoeira kick Cortney Casey's ass. I love to see it. Because personally, I'm just not interested in what she's doing, you know. And as for Priscila, well, you know, she's had an interesting road, you know. She lost that fight devastatingly by the Bullet Shevchenko. You know, you may remember the discrepancy in that match. It was something like 230 strikes to 3. I'm not making that up, in case you didn't notice. Valentina Shevchenko outstruck Priscila Cachoeira 230 to 3. That is absolutely savagery of the highest degree. I've never heard of any shit like that in my entire life. Hell, I agree with Dana White that they should have stopped the fight earlier. I mean, you think? But she took that whooping. She took that beating, and it took her 2 losses just to recover from that destruction of the Bullet, Shevchenko. But she recently, in her last fight, set the record for the fastest KO in flyweight women's history with a 40-second KO of Shayna Dobson. So she's still out there throwing them damn fists with bad intentions. I like her in this fight. I think Imano, I don't think Cortney Casey can handle her. I think she has a little too much power, and I don't believe Cortney Casey is good enough to control her on the ground or anything like that. Again, she just beat Mar. Okay? Everybody beats Mar. Okay? Mar needs to be out of the fucking UFC. You know, but let's see if Priscila Cachoeira can keep this streak going, you know. It's almost like I want to see her win. You know, this girl's tough. You know, when I did some research on Cachoeira's life, she had been taking way worse beatings before Valentina ever beat her. And now that Valentina did what she did to her, she's probably one of the most dangerous fighters, because once you go that low, ain't nowhere to go but up. So, let's go Cachoeira. Let's close the case on Cortney Casey.